Still think mini PCs are just for spreadsheets? Think again. In 2025, these compact beasts pack serious power, from Ryzen rigs with 8K output to Intel machines with Thunderbolt 4 and ARGB lighting. Whether you're gaming, editing, or building a clean desk setup, we tested the latest Windows mini PCs to find the ones that actually deliver. Let's break it down. Lenovo IdeaCentre Mini Desktop. This compact desktop is designed for everyday productivity and multitasking. It runs on a 6-core Intel i5-10400 processor, which handles office apps, browsing, and light creative work with ease. You get 16 GB of DDR4 RAM, which is plenty for multitasking, and a hybrid storage setup. A 512 GB SSD for fast boot times and app launches, plus a 1 TB HDD for storing files, media, and backups. Connectivity is solid with Wi-Fi 6, USB-C, HDMI, and DisplayPort, making it easy to hook up multiple monitors and accessories. It comes with Windows 10 Pro, which is great for business users who need advanced features like remote desktop and BitLocker encryption. This setup delivers reliable performance and generous storage in a space-saving design, perfect for home offices or small business setups. Check the description below for product links and best prices. Geekom A6 Mini PC. This sleek aluminum mini PC is built for speed. It features an AMD Ryzen 6800H processor with 8 cores and 16 threads, capable of reaching up to 4.7 GHz. Great for demanding tasks like video editing, coding, or running virtual machines. The Radeon 680M integrated graphics can handle light gaming and creative apps. It's loaded with 32 GB of DDR5 RAM and a 1 TB PCIe 4.0 NVMe SSD, giving you blazing fast performance and storage. You also get USB 4, which supports 8K video output, plus Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.2 for next-gen wireless connectivity. This mini PC is ideal for creators, developers, and power users who want serious performance in a compact form. Check the description below for product links and best prices. ASUS NUC 14 Pro. Tall, designed for business and productivity, this mini PC features the Intel Core Ultra 7 155H processor, which includes built-in AI acceleration and strong multitasking capabilities. It's paired with 32 GB of DDR5 RAM and a 1 TB PCIe Gen 4 SSD, making it fast and responsive for office work, conferencing, and multitasking. You get Thunderbolt 4, Windows 11 Pro, and a toolless chassis, so upgrades are easy. The included VESA mount lets you attach it behind a monitor for a clean, clutter-free desk. It's a smart choice for professionals who want a powerful, upgradable mini PC with enterprise-grade features. MSI Cubi NUC 1M-063BCA. This is a barebone kit, meaning it comes with the Intel Core i5-120U processor, Wi-Fi 6E, and Bluetooth 5.3, but you'll need to add your own RAM, storage, and operating system. It's perfect for DIY users who want to customize their build. The compact design supports up to 4 monitors, and it includes dual 2.5 Gbps Ethernet ports, making it great for networking tasks or media servers. It's a flexible option for tech-savvy users who want control over their components and a quiet, space-saving design. Check the description below for product links and best prices. ROG NUC 970 Full System Mini PC. This is a gaming powerhouse in a tiny shell. It features the Intel Core Ultra 9 185H processor and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 discrete graphics, giving you desktop-level gaming performance. With 32 GB DDR5 RAM and a 1 TB PCIe Gen 4 SSD, it's ready for AAA games, streaming, and creative work. You also get ARGB lighting, a vertical stand, and full Windows 11 support. The system includes easy access internals for upgrading RAM and storage. It's perfect for gamers and creators who want high-end performance without the bulk of a traditional tower. Check the description below for product links and best prices. From barebone kits to full-blown gaming rigs, These mini PCs prove you don't need a bulky tower to get serious performance. We explained what each one does best so you can pick the right setup for your space and workflow. Check the description below for product links and best prices, and subscribe for more gear that actually earns its spot.